Let's cut to it. We know that missed phone calls equal missed money, and in this video I'm going to prove how much you're losing every month live with a simple calculator you can use for free. Then I'll show you how a 24/7 AI receptionist can pay for itself in just a couple of jobs booked. I'm Ben from ARROW, and we build AI receptionists for UK trades and service businesses so that you never miss a lead again. You can test us live right now if you call this number, and if you like what you hear, you can get live with your own AI receptionist within about 7 days. So here's the calculator to show you just how much money you're losing from missing calls. We'll just need to plug in a couple of numbers here. So calls per month, missed call percentage, your rough win rate percentage, the average value of your job, and the cost of your AI receptionist. Our results will show the number of lost jobs, the amount of lost revenue, and your potential return on investment if you answered every call using an AI receptionist. You can see here if we went with an electrician, I've put some realistic defaults in here. So let's say 70 calls per month, which is pretty conservative. Maybe you're missing 27, 30% of those calls. When those calls come through, I reckon you could be closing maybe 60% of them actually turned into booked jobs. And that booked value can be anything on average, let's say 250 quid. So small call out fee up to a much larger installation. I'm trying to be realistic here. If you're only getting that number of calls, you'll probably find that our £199 a month small business plan is appropriate for you. You're not having any CRMs integrated or anything like this. You just need an AI receptionist to answer the calls you're missing. Across the month there, you're missing 21 calls. That's potentially 13 jobs missed based on that win rate, and around £3,000 worth of missed revenue because you didn't answer the phone. At the end of the day, that's nearly £40,000 worth of revenue yearly. With an AI receptionist from ARROW, you could be recovering up to the best part of £3,000 a month. Minus the cost there, that's still a 1,400% return on your monthly investment. To really get the best value from this tool, you need to know how many calls you are roughly getting each week and then multiply that by 4 so you get a rough monthly average. In general, we find people drastically underappreciate the number of calls they're getting as they come in weekly. So really take that time to get those numbers right, and you'll quickly see the value of having something that could answer your phone for you 24/7. So remember, you can test an AI receptionist for me right now, no scripts, no editing. She'll send you emails, SMS and WhatsApps, and you can hear how the AI answers instantly. You can ask her anything and she'll answer smartly, and then she'll send you a summary through to email of what we've just talked about. Let's knock out a couple of common questions that we deal with. Does it sound real? Yeah, it's a natural human-like synthetic voice. It's not robotic. There's no awkward pauses. It's real-time conversation with you. We always identify that our receptionists are AI if people ask, or sometimes we'll say on the introduction. We feel that's really important to gain trust and keep trust with callers. But we use cutting-edge voice synthesis technology, and we're constantly updating the platforms, and as things improve further, we'll get to a point where you won't be able to tell the difference in these voices from a human. Can it handle stuff that's specific to your industry or your company? Absolutely. We train our AI receptionists on your services, on your prices, on the language you use, so it sounds like it's part of your team. But if there are edge cases or things it just doesn't know, if it's ever unsure, it doesn't guess or hallucinate up facts, it will log the details and pass them to a human to have that inquiry straight over to you. Will you need to learn another dashboard, another app? No, we're going to do all of this for you. So there's no new logins, there's no new software. And if you want to make a change, you can just call your own AI receptionist and say the change out loud to her, and that will get logged to me and my team to perform the retraining that you've requested. How long does it take to set up? Between 3 to 7 days. How do we handle the call forwarding? That will depend on your situation. If you're a business with team members, you probably have a telephone system already in place, and we would provide you the number that you need to forward to when those calls are coming in. If you're a one-man band with a phone, we can also provide you with instructions on how to turn your phone from just collecting voicemails that you never listen to forwarding every call after 5-10 seconds directly to your AI receptionist. Don't need to take my word for this stuff. You can call my AI receptionist right now and put it to the test, and I've got real results and case studies from car specialists, carpet cleaners, appliance repairmen, you name it. We've covered tens of thousands of phone calls at this point, and we capture as many case studies as we can on the website so you can see how we're working there. So you want to get started right now. How do you do it? Call my AI receptionist now. She will find a time slot in my diary to talk to me or one of my team, and we'll get you onboarded. We'll talk through everything, spend 15 minutes on the phone, understand what you need, how we can best connect and integrate with your systems if needed. We'll go through pricing with you and find the most appropriate minutes usage that works for your business. And then step 3, within 3 to 7 days, we'll have you live with an AI receptionist ready to call, fully customized to you. You have some role play with her, you try a few examples, leave your feedback directly with her. That will come back to me and the team. We'll adjust, amend and improve and optimize, and then you'll be ready, launched with your AI receptionist. For the next 30 days or so, we'll sit with you on those calls. We'll make sure that she or he is doing exactly what you want, and we'll optimize based on that to make sure that you're getting the best experience and your customers and inquiries and callers are getting the best possible experience from your new AI receptionist. So it's your turn to go to the missed money calculator now, punch in some numbers, start getting a sense of exactly what missed calls are costing you. Play with it, run the scenarios, and if the return on investment makes sense, which it usually does, call the demo line and book in a call with us to get yourself live with an AI receptionist right now. If there's questions that aren't answered here, stick them in the comments, call my AI receptionist and ask her. If she doesn't know, she'll ask me and I'll come back to you. We're available on WhatsApp, phone, SMS, email and YouTube comments. Hit subscribe if you want to learn more about how we're building AI receptionists and integrating them with CRMs, with calendars, with every piece of technology that we can. We look forward to showing you more content soon. Thank you.